Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to prepare sweet khurma. This is one of my favorite recipes which is prepared during Durga Puja. It's not that difficult to prepare and also you can store it for many days. So let's begin with the process. Here I am taking refined flour or maida. You can also use wheat flour, but the taste will be better with maida. Adding salt as per taste and about 4 spoons of oil. Now mix both oil and maida properly. It should come to this kind of a consistency where maida binds. At this stage, we'll add water little at a time and we'll knead a dough. Our dough should be a little soft like this. Allow it to rest for 10 to 15 minutes. After about 15 minutes, this is how the dough looks like. It's soft and ready to be used. I'm dividing it in 4 portions. With the help of a rolling pin, we'll roll this. We'll cut the edges and give this a square shape. Now we'll cut it just like French fries and keeping it aside. Repeat the same process with the remaining dough as well. Here we have the khurmas ready. Heating up a pan and we'll add oil. Once the oil is heated up, in low flame we'll start frying the khurma. As they are not very thin, we need to keep the flame low so that they cook from inside out. Once they turn a little yellowish in color, we'll keep it aside. On the other side, I am heating up a pan. We'll add water and sugar. I am adding about half a cup of sugar. You can start preparing the syrup and keep adding sugar based on the requirement. Here the khurmas are ready. They are a bit thick but cooked from inside out. Once this syrup is ready, we'll transfer the khurma in the syrup and in high flame we'll move it for 2 to 3 minutes. Once the syrup dries, we'll switch off the flame and transfer this in a plate. After 2 to 3 minutes, they will dry completely and they are ready to be served. You can store this in an airtight container and they will stay good for many days. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye-bye.